Actress Toyin Abraham don't voice out oh. She say make una no dey swear for her husband, her pikin and her family. Say this thing don dey too much. She don't even frustrate. Say wetin happen? Na only I be the celebrity wey dey Nigeria wey Lizzy Anjorin go dey always target. Now, wetin this matter na even old matter wey happen for September 2019 wey they talk say they catch Lizzy Anjorin for airport with drugs. Say now this whole matter they talk say na Toyin Abraham na him go report to blogger say na she carry the cocaine, and this girl they talk say she no even know anything about this matter. Now we get one new blogger now just wake up one morning. Some people say you go just wake up just because of say you want trend, you go just find one kind matter they talk say you no go better for her husband, you no go better for her pikin. Wetin concern the pikin? If you get matter with this person, face the person directly. Wetin you dey swear for her family for? Na Toyin Abraham don vex. Say wetin happen? Na only she dey. Make una no dey insult her pikin. Make una comot im pikin out of am. Because this whole matter wey they even call her for sef, she no even know anything about am. Now she go live oh, she go live with Iyabo Ojo to explain everything wey dey happen. Say she no even know this woman. Make una watch this video.
Let the old mothers in this world, let them come and blame me for this one single thing, that I stood up for my son. Let the old world come and blame me for this. I am not talking. I am not saying anything. But for this, I will stand up for my son.
Mama said she called you like some years ago about this matter. Did she call you?
I didn't know if she called me. They didn't let me pick. It was after the whole thing, like 2 months later, they gave me my phone, and I saw the messages, and our messages were part of it. This is the only Bible that I'm holding. Let the Holy Bible judge me. It's so funny. Lizzy is not my friend. We are not friends. I don't know her. As in, Saudi or no, I've never heard about it. How do I know her movement?
Because I spoke to Liz, and she was like so sure that she was so certain that.
So sure. What is my own with Lizzy? I have seen Lizzy in my life just twice. The first time on Regina Tuku's job, the second time was Basila Coded Premier. I don't know her movement. God is my witness.
You've only seen Liz twice.
Twice. Speaking up now. Let the whole world hear. I am speaking up now because I am speaking up because of my son. The last one they did, you know, anymore me or less sorrow. But now I have to speak up and stand up for my son. Yes, I'm don't come and shake my from me. No. If I do not stand up for my son, who will stand up for my son? I'll be among me. I should not shake my from me, me or so. But today was too much. I need to stand up for my son.
She said some bloggers that they are mentioning your name, that you are the one that sent them.
But there is no blogger that can mention my name. I have never spoken to any blogger. The only blogger I have spoken with is Instablog, and we did adverts on Instablog.
When I don't see this video, she talks in her only 2 times for her life. Self now she don't even see this woman. Say the woman don't even be in friend. So what think when they bring on her two together? Yoruba actress, on her two like fights, on her two like wahala. Other actors, you no go even hear anything about them. But this Yoruba people, every day, now they find fights. Yoruba say, if our name, we too like boss, everything, wahala. What think they even worry us? Now this woman don't come out. Follow Iyabo Ojo talk, say, this kind of thing, she no want them. She no like them. If na one cause her, making her comot her pikin and her husband out of it. Because this thing self when they cause her for, she no even know head. She no know tail about them. She don't know anything about this lady. She and the lady no even be friends. So what thing that they stress in herself for saying she know the thing, she know everything. She even can't carry Bible. Swear for person to carry Bible, swear you suppose not say this person mean am. But you know so this actor except there's a big art film. They go if she feel be saying her act, she dey act oh. But I believe her because the thing they pain her, the way she dey talk for this video, it really pain her say that they insult her pikin. Say since when they don't even born this pikin self, now they don't they swear for her. What thing happen? What did she do on her? Or what she dey own her money? Abi she no dey nice enough. Abi the film when they watch and they feel say she be area girl, abi she be wicked person for film. That film na her personality. This one self na another person totally. Make una no dey judge her based on wetin they see. And this Lizzy Anjorin get self na wahala woman. Since when I don't know her, na so problem. And she sabi fine. Today you go see her, she dey fight with this person. Tomorrow she dey fight with, I know say she sef she get her followers wey dey support her, but that blogger sef, wetin be your own matter wey they don even die, they don keep since 2019. You just wake up one morning come start to dey bring am back again. Wetin dey even worry you? This blogger sef, you no even get name, nobody even know you. Just because of say you wan trend, you don bring new matter wey say people don even forget, people don even leave. You can't bring am back say na wetin you wan come use take trend. Aunty abeg, if you no get means of where you wan take trend, make you go find groundnut abi something wey go dey sell dey do, because this kind hustle wey dey do, e no even make sense at all. But my own na all this kind mumu fight, make una stop am. All this kind fight no dey too make sense like that. Una go just wake up dey tackle una sef. Una suppose be one. Una dey act together. Una suppose be one family. This one wey be say na dey fight una sef, e no too dey make sense o. Then this Yoruba industry sef, e be like say una suppose sit down do meeting, make dem call all of una together, make una sit down talk wetin dey even worry una, wetin dey make una dey beef una sef. Na jealousy abi na wetin? Say this person get money pass you abi? Some of all these things sef na audio money. Dem no even too get this money. Na just noise. Make them sit down, call all of them together, make them do this thing. Then this Lizzy Anjorin herself, all of us now, so she call her husband, say her husband na him be the king, na him be the this one. Now she still come outside say, the man no good. Make them call her down, sit her down. Wetin she get with this woman? Make them call two of them together, make them talk this matter, make them settle am. Make we stop to dey hear this their matter. The matter don tire person. Now here I go dey live now with this kind tori o. Anything wey una get to comment, make una also comment about this matter. Then make una no forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel o, as we go dey bring helele tori for una. I go dey see una for our next story.